Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Google Ads to a Wix website. To begin, open your browser and go to the Google Adsense website. This is the platform Google uses to help website owners monetize their content by displaying ads. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Get Started and click on it. This will take you into the AdSense setup process, where Google will begin collecting the basic information needed to connect ads to your site. After that, move over to your Wix website. You'll want to access the Wix dashboard for the site where you plan to display ads. From there, click on Edit Site. This opens the Wix editor where you can manage your website and make sure you're working with the correct published version. It's a good idea at this stage to confirm that your site is live and publicly accessible, since AdSense typically needs a valid website address during setup. Once you're in the editor, go to the upper right area of the screen and hover over Publish so you can locate the View Site option. This is important because you need the live website address, not just the editing dashboard link. When you open the live site, copy the URL shown at the top of your browser. Be sure you copy the full address exactly as it appears so Google can correctly identify your website. Now return to Google AdSense and paste that website URL into the appropriate field. This links your Wix site to the AdSense application process. Take a moment to double check the address before moving on, because even a small mistake in the URL can slow things down or cause verification issues. From here, continue by following the instructions shown on your own screen. The remaining setup steps in AdSense may vary slightly depending on your account, status, region, or whether Google asks for additional verification. Just proceed carefully through each prompt and provide the requested site details where needed. As a general tip, make sure your Wix site has real content, clear navigation, and is fully published before completing the setup. That can help improve the review process and make it easier for Google to verify your site. And that's it. You've now gone through the basic process of connecting your Wix website to Google AdSense, so you can move forward with monetizing your site.